Hello angels, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles, and today I am here to list you 5 of the makeup mistakes to avoid during your D-Day or your wedding day. So yes, let's start with it. Many days in your life to test out any latest lipstick or any newest false eyelashes which you have newly bought, but your wedding day is not one of them, and you will really agree with me. Because when you will look back to your wedding diaries, you don't wanna regret of the makeup which you wore on the biggest day of your life, right guys? So yes, so whether you are a bride-to-be or you are just merely dreaming of your D-Day, ensure that you look the best on your wedding by avoiding these 5 makeup mistakes which I'm going to list you just now here. So to know it, you have to keep on watching this video till the end. So yes. So the very first mistake which tops my list is wearing a wrong color foundation. Yes guys, it can look drastically bad on your D-Day. It can ruin your D-Day if you wear a wrong color foundation. It's very important to check out. So let's see. Now guys, even if you have to match 2 to 3 foundations to find the correct color for your skin, this is no time to say, it's a little dark, but it will serve the purpose. No guys, no, it will not serve the purpose at all. Now going too light can make you look like a doll, whereas making your skin dark can make you look like you have painted your face. So either one shows up looking exaggerated in your pictures. Start testing out foundations which will match your skin tone, skin color before 3 months to your wedding. And continue testing it based on whether you are spending more time in sun or you are like experimenting with new facial products which can really affect the texture of your skin. So yes. So second mistake which we just cannot make is not wearing waterproof mascara. You can understand how much important a mascara can be during your wedding. This mistake goes for the bride as well as the wedding guests, the guests who will attend your wedding, or your relatives or your mother. Yes, the reason behind this is that you all must be knowing that wedding is an emotional celebrations where tears are almost guaranteed. So yes, so that's why mascara is really an important part, and so you have to always go on for waterproof mascara which will not smudge your eye makeup, and it will not really look ugly on your eyes. If you are like wearing normal mascaras, it can just blur off your eyes and you would look really ugly, which I think so you don't want to look. So yes, that's why this tip for you. So third common mistake which we mostly tend to make is forgetting to exfoliate our lips before applying lipsticks. Now whether you choose lipstick or lip gloss, before application, exfoliation is so damn necessary. Now you can use a sugar scrub and a toothbrush to just buff away your dead skin cells from your lips, and just put on any moisturizing mask on your lips overnight, and it will just make your lips really smooth and soft the next day or the morning of your wedding. So fourth mistake is that to go overboard with your blush. Now guys, don't go too rosy with your blush, and just make sure to blend it very nicely, and you have to apply the blush to the apples of your cheek, and you have to choose the color which is not really a bright and also a dark one or a neonish one which will really make you look like a doll, man. Nobody will want to look like that, right? Now the fifth mistake is to put on your makeup without even moisturizing your face. Now, if you are going to spend all of your time and money on your makeup, making it look really perfect, then don't ruin your makeup by applying the makeup on a really dry and flaky skin. No, a big no to it. Now I'll suggest you all to use face mask which you have already tried before, about 3 to 4 days before your wedding, and I'll also say you to apply face oil. You know it, right? Face oil before the wedding day. Like, yes, during the night time you can apply face oil, and in the morning of your wedding you can go on for a face lotion kind of a thing, which will make your skin really soft, smooth and healthy, so that the makeup which you will put on will actually look perfect, be perfect on your skin. So yes, happy wedding for you all. These all are the tips which I really wanted to give you all because of one reason, which I'll like share with you shortly, I think so, in my next video or so. So yes, till then, take care, keep smiling, keep loving, continue watching Unboxing Smiles, stay tuned to Unboxing Smiles. If you really like this video and find this video helpful, then do hit that big like button and also subscribe to Unboxing Smile without any fail. And yes, catch you up in my next video.